Look at this front spark plug. That baby was kinda nasty. Huh? That thing was kinda nasty. But yeah, front one on. Now what I did use some pliers and I gripped it about right here and pulled it. That was easier to do. Just make sure you don't pull up here because you can mess up this wire, that spark plug wire, and then you're gonna turn something simple into a bad day. But that's pretty much it, guys. Just when you line these up, you know, when you putting this back on, just line them up, point it in there good. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the other side and take the other ones off and put the spark plugs in real quick so I can fire it up and see if it runs a little better, because it's a little out of sorts to me. Yeah. Yep. All right, guys, thank you.
Is that burst fire?
Hold up! Y'all know what time it is? We coming down, switching lanes in Jesus' name. Yeah.
144. Coming down, switching lane. Right now, cause we service, man. Coming down, switching lane. Right now, cause we service. Coming down, switching lane. Right now, cause we service, man. Coming down, switching lane. Right now, cause we service.
Wow, coming down and I was switching lanes. 4 deep in that Chevy thing. My check spin on that limo tent. Them soul whoops and that Mary Jane.
All right, guys, we're back. You looking at the 2006 Honda VTX. And today we're gonna be doing our first service on it. Where I'm gonna be changing the spark plugs. It's pretty simple, especially compared to my last bike. You don't even have to take the tank off. You just take this cover off. It has 4 spark plugs in it. You take this cover off. Other 2 on the other side. Might be able to pull it with one hand. Let's see. No, I can't pull it. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. And so that's the spark plug right there. And so yeah, it's pretty simple. So I'm gonna break this one out, and I will get back with you. All right, guys, we're back. As you can see, I done wiggled this off of here. Now, there's a tool that looks like a kind of like pliers with a rubber end on it that you can use to wiggle this out. I kind of just grab it and wiggle on it till I get it out. I've been changing spark plugs for a while, but you may want to do that. And it's just a regular 5mm, 5/8 spark plug socket. Should go on it. You want to put it on there with your hand till you got it on there. And break it. Look at her, doing it with one hand. So it's coming on out, y'all. Focus, camera. Don't look too bad. Then we have our NGKs that are pre-gapped. They are pre-gapped. I mean, I'm gonna put my NGK down in here and put it back in there. Now, when you put it in there, you want to guide it in there and just turn it with your hand. Make sure it's in there good. You know, so you don't want to put it in there with the ratchet at first. You don't want to go stripping nothing out. So yeah. All right, guys, I'm gonna let y'all watch me put this in here just in case it would ease anybody's mind to see me do it. Just put it in there. You want to guide it in there, find the hole. Down in there. Turn it with your hand. So you can't turn it anymore. And it's in there. Then I'm gonna get my ratchet. And I'm gonna give it a turn or two. Make sure it's tight. Alrighty. See, my rubber grommet in there is in there pretty good. That's a good thing. Let me stop this. I'm gonna get some needle nose and I'll pull that out of there. Yep, see there? And you good. You could put some electric diode grease on there if you want it. I think it'd be all right like that. All right, and then you just repeat the process with the rest. As far as these, you just take this and put it on there and snap it back in place. Like so. Oh, hold up. Excuse me, y'all. I'm tripping. I ain't even put the spark plug wire back on there. You want to put the spark plug wire back on there, of course. When you put the spark plug wire back on there, make sure you'll hear a snap, you'll hear it pop in place. And that's it. Then you're gonna take your cover, line these three up. Just like so. And you just repeat the process with the rest of them. Excuse me. Guys, when you're putting this back on, make sure you line this up and give it a firm push down in there. Make sure it's on there real good. I'm gonna get to this next one. And you just repeat the process with all of them. I don't think there's a reason to do all of them. Of course, I'm gonna do all of them, but do all of them on here. And that's it, guys. How you change the spark plugs on the VTX 1300. All right. Make sure you like and subscribe. We got a lot of content coming. I'm gonna be doing a lot to this motorcycle. I'm not even gonna detail what I'm gonna do to it yet, but I'm gonna be doing a lot to this motorcycle. So make sure you like and subscribe. Stay tuned to the channel. I'm indecisive about whether I'm gonna take this fairing off or not. Y'all let me know what y'all think I should do, but I think y'all gonna like the end product. It's gonna be, we got a few things we're gonna do to this motorcycle. But yeah, that's it, man. Make sure you like and subscribe. I appreciate you supporting the channel, and y'all stay safe out there.